Good morning, children. This video is regarding Block 3 Ben's Christmas Wish Notes part. So, get ready with your pencil and eraser and content book. First of all, we will underline the important and key words from the lesson Ben's Christmas Wish in the content book, and then we will follow the notes video. Okay? So, get ready. So, after finishing writing block 2 project work, open a fresh page and write your date. Okay? Date is compulsory. Then in the beginning line of the page, write down your block number and title of the story. And then write keywords. Okay. Write the numbers properly, children. First word Christmas. Second word decorating. Third word together. Fourth word shut. Fifth word wished. Sixth word believe. Okay, complete all these new words and turn to next page and give the heading meanings. Okay, write the first meaning Christmas. For that meaning, write the sentence: a festival celebrating Jesus Christ's birth. Number 2, believe, to think of something true. Number 3, decorate, to get something look more beautiful. Full stop. Fourth one, shut, to close something like a door or a window. Fifth meaning, together, along with other people. Wish, to hope for something that is not easy to get. With this, we are completing our meanings. Okay, go to next page and write down in the first line making words. Make words with the given letters. Okay, and write all the words: rat, sat, mat, seat, star, stem, start. Okay, complete these making words. After that, turn to next page and give the heading fill in the blanks and underline with 2 strokes. Fill in the blanks with my, our, her, his, their. First blank, I have a book. It is my book. Second one, Mega gave me an umbrella. This is her umbrella. Full stop. Third one, this is my parents' car. This is their car. Fourth one, this is my mother's coat. This is her coat. Fifth one, this is my uncle's house. This is his house. So, we finished in the blanks also. Now go to next page and give the heading. Answer the following questions. Underline it. First question. What festival does Ben like the most? Answer. Ben likes to celebrate Christmas the most. Full stop. Leave one line and write number 2. Why was Ben sad? Question mark. Answer. Ben was sad because he wanted his father to be with him for Christmas. Full stop. We finished 2 questions in this page. After this, leave this page and go to next page and write third question. Okay? Yes. Third question. What does Ben's mother tell him? Question mark. Answer. She tells him not to worry as he can still have fun with her. Okay? Full stop. I repeat, she tells him not to worry as he can still have fun with her. This is third question answer. Go to fourth question. What happened in the end? Question mark. In the end, Ben's father comes back home because it snowed very heavily and his flight got cancelled. Full stop. I repeat. Okay, write this full answer and with full stop and write down there block 3 completed. Okay. Now open your content book and open this page, Ben's Christmas Wish. Now we are going to underline the important and key words from this lesson in our content book. So get ready. Now go to our next page and underline sad, S-A-D, sad. And next word England, E-N-G-L-A-N-D, England, underline that word. And next word Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A. And next word Christmas, C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. So in this page you underline all these 4 words, children. Turn the next page and underline the word decorating, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-I-N-G, decorating, underline that word. Okay, and then snowman, S-N-O-W-M-A-N, snowman, underline that. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, underline that word also. Okay. Next, underline the word waved, W-A-V-E-D, waved, and airport, A-I-R-P-O-R-T, airport. Next, letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter. Then Santa Claus, S-A-N-T-A, Santa, C-L-A-U-S, Santa Claus. In the next paragraph, underline the word chocolate, C-H-O-C-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Underline the word wanted, W-A-N-T-E-D, wanted. The next paragraph, pillow, P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Then shut, S-H-U-T, shut. Then wished, W-I-S-H-E-D. Underline all these words. Then coming to last page, underline the word morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Then breakfast, B-R-E-A-K, break, F-A-S-T, fast, underline that word. Then believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, believe. Then snowing, S-N-O-W-I-N-G. Then weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Then the last word is biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, biggest. Underline all these words from the last page of this story. Now we are going to underline the meanings. Okay. First meaning, Christmas, a festival celebrating Jesus Christ's birth. Believe, to think of something as true. Decorate, to make something look more beautiful. Shut, to close something like a door or a window. Together, along with other people. Wish, to hope for something that is not easy to get. Okay, children, these are the meanings from this lesson and underline all the meanings. Now we finished our block 3 Ben's Christmas Wish notes part and content book underlining also. Okay, children, and we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.